In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the canvas zoom level in Draw.io for Confluence and Jira. We'll walk through this step by step so you can control exactly how zoomed in or out your diagrams appear when you're working inside Confluence or Jira, or when someone else opens them. This is especially useful if you're sharing diagrams with a team and want everyone to see the same view right away. First, open your diagram in Draw.io. This might be an untitled diagram, or one that's already embedded in a Confluence page or a Jira issue. The interface is the same. You'll see your canvas in the center and the standard Draw.io toolbar around it. Now, look towards the toolbar area where your zoom controls usually appear. This is typically along the top of the editor, near options like File, Edit, or View. Click on the highlighted area that represents your zoom settings. This may look like a percentage value, such as 100%, or a drop-down related to zoom options. When you click that highlighted zoom area, a menu or dialog will appear with additional zoom choices. Here, you'll want to look for more advanced or custom zoom options, not just the default presets like fit or page width. Click on the next highlighted option that gives you more detailed zoom control. This might open a settings panel or a configuration window. Inside this configuration area, you'll see another highlighted section related to how the canvas is displayed. Click again on the indicated highlight to access the specific canvas or viewer settings for your diagram. The goal is to reach the place where you can specify the zoom level that should be used as the default when the diagram is opened. Next, you'll see a control where you can choose or type in the exact zoom level you want. Click on this highlighted input or drop-down and select your preferred zoom, for example 80%, 100%, or 120%, depending on how large you want the diagram to appear. Take a moment to think about how your team will view it. If it's a very detailed diagram, you may want a slightly higher zoom so text is easy to read. Once you've chosen the zoom level, click on the final highlighted button labeled Apply. This confirms your changes and updates the canvas zoom behavior. After clicking Apply, your diagram will use this zoom level as the default view when opened in Confluence or Jira, making it more consistent and easier for others to work with.